Hey, what's up everybody? It's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today I have a 2018 Yukon that needs a new cabin air filter, so we're gonna show you real quick how to do it. It's easy peasy. Anybody can do this. Alright, let's go. So let me tell you the backstory of this. So I took it to the dealer to get my condenser replaced, and they said, hey, you need a new cabin filter. And I said, okay, how much does it cost to get it changed? And they're like $180. So I was like, no thanks, I'll do it myself. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, just do the condenser. I'll do the cabin filter. So hey, 11 bucks on Amazon, you do it yourself. It literally took 10 minutes to do. So there you go, you're welcome. All right, let's continue. What you're gonna need is a new cabin air filter. I picked this up from Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. Okay, and I'll throw the link in the description box in case you need it. All right, it is located right here where the glove compartment is. So I already kind of started, so I'm going to show you what I did. All right, so you open this. All right, there's two tabs right here, 1 and 2. You're going to push in. All right, so you're going to remove it from the track. Okay, and it's going to kind of flip down, and there's also a tension cord rod, or yeah, cord string right here on the side. I already kind of pulled it down, but it's right here. Okay, you just take it off the track and let it hang. Okay, you're going to need a T15 Torx. All right, and there's going to be 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and this is where the getting just one step closer to the filter. Alright, gets removed, and then there's the cabin air filter right in there. Okay, that's the housing. Okay, so we're gonna remove this. Kind of just flips down. There's 2 tabs, one right here, and then one right here. Let's see if I can get a little closer so you can see. All right, there's one right there, and then one right there. Flip down. All right, there's the little cover for the housing. All right, and then there's the filter. All right, we're gonna pull it out, put the new one back in, and then reverse the steps. Okay, I hope this helps someone out, and if it does, give me a thumbs up. All right, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless.